Alright. It is Tuesday, October 27th, 2020 at 8:20 p.m. Alright, let's take a look at the Asteroid Watch from NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, California Institute of Technology. We have, October 27th, 5 asteroids on the list. We have, October 27th, named 2020 UU4, which is 49 feet in size, but the size of a house, 442,000 miles from Earth. October 27th, the second one, 2027 D8, 46 feet in size, the size of a house, 385,000 miles from Earth. This is the closest one, 2020 TD8, the closest one to the Earth that would be passing today. Alright, October 27th, 2020 UC4, the size of 69 feet, the size of a jet, 1,490,000 miles from Earth. Then 2005 UV64, 56 feet in size, about the size of a house, 4,590,000 miles from Earth. Then the last one, 2020 TQ2, about 83 feet in size, about the size of a jet, passing 3,880,000 miles from Earth. Alright, let's take a look at the list. This is for tomorrow. Tomorrow we have 4 asteroids possibly passing close to Earth. The closest one will be 4.12 lunar distances from Earth. And then on the 29th, we have 4 asteroids, and the closest one would be 6.39 lunar distances from Earth. October 30th, we only have 1. And then October 31st on Halloween, we only have 1. Unless they discover new asteroids and then add them to the list, these are the ones that are happening for the month of October. November 2nd, we have 2018 VP1, which is 1.09 lunar distances from Earth. Then we have, on November 3rd, we have 2, and the closest one is passing 5.57 lunar distances from Earth. I'll update on the other asteroids when they get closer to those days, or you can look at the links that I'll leave and you guys can check out the asteroids themselves for yourself. Alright, let's take a look here at Twitter. We have from Camilla Nayara. She posted 40 minutes ago, "Everything is fine here, except for the fact that a meteor crashed last night, and it was so noisy, I thought it was a thunderstorm. Nothing surprises me more in 2020. So we have a meteor here. Let's take a picture of it. Just passing by in the atmosphere. Alright. Let's take a look here. This is from Asen N. Perez, saying, "Saw this flying over Hawaii October 24th, 2020. UFOs, Starlink, or a meteor shower." Let's take a look at what this video is. But let's mute it so it won't be too loud with the people making noise. Let's just look at what they were seeing. Look at that. It could be Starlink. It could be meteors just falling apart in the atmosphere. Or it could be satellites. It could be UFOs. Who knows what it could be. Alright guys, so they caught that in Hawaii. Flying in Hawaii. October 24th, 2020. Alright. Also, the Daily Mail says fireball meteorite that smashed into frozen U.S. lake in 2018 contains raw materials for life. Let's take a look at that article. It says, Michigan fireball meteorite fragments could shed light on origins of solar system. A fireball that struck near Hamburg, Michigan in 2018 could offer new insights into the history of the solar system, researchers have said. The fireball, a type of very bright meteor that had been observed in daylight, was spotted in several states as it flew across the sky on the evening of the 16th of January 2018. The meteor also produced an atmospheric shock wave equivalent to a magnitude 2.0 earthquake. Walnut-sized fragments were rapidly recovered from the Strawberry Bass Lakes by meteorite hunters. using information from scientists who had been tracking the trajectory using NASA's weather radar. Finding a pebble-sized fragment of a frozen lake or in a snow blanket is difficult if you don't know where to look, said Philip Heck, a co-author of the report and associate professor at the University of Chicago, who is also a curator of the meteorite, rock, and mineral collection at the Field Museum of Natural History in Chicago. Now, Heck and colleagues have released an in-depth report examining 3 of the meteorite pieces housed in the Field Museum. The results reveal that the space rock is a type known as H4 Crondite, a relatively rare subtype of a class of meteorites common in collections. There are only 4% of the falls today, said Heck. He added that initial analysis of the space rock revealed that the meteorite contained 2,600 different organic compounds, while an Earth greater array have been found in other meteorites. Heck said the findings add weight to the much-rooted idea that meteorites might have played a role in kickstarting life on Earth. So that's a pretty interesting article if you guys want to finish reading it. I'll leave the link under the video about the fireball that was found in 2018. Alright, next. Trump says he'll take a good, strong look at whether UFOs exist. Alright, says President Donald Trump was asked about the existence of UFOs during an interview with Maria Bartiromo on Fox News on Sunday. Trump said he heard about the Pentagon's Unidentified Aerial Phenomena Task Force, which was announced on August 2 days ago. He also added that he'd take a good, strong look at the existence of UFOs. When asked about unidentified flying objects in 2019, Trump expressed skepticism. So President Donald Trump said in an interview on Sunday that he plans on looking further into U.S. intelligence on the existence of UFOs. Fox News host Maria Bartiromo asked Trump during Sunday morning features about the Department of Defense announcement that the Pentagon launched a task force to investigate sightings of unidentified flying objects in August. The group is called the Unidentified Aerial Phenomena Task Force, or UAPTF. Mr. President, as we wrap up here, are there UFOs? Bartiromo said. Well, I'm gonna have to check on that, Trump replied. I mean, I've heard that. I've heard that 2 days ago, so I'll check on that. I'll take a good strong look at that. And then here, it says, Bartiromo, Mr. President, are there UFOs? Trump, well, I'm gonna have to check on that. I will tell you, we have now created a military the likes of which we have never had before in terms of equipment. Hashtag what? So, the president went on to discuss the military and later reiterated his promise on checking on UFOs. Alright, so, what will he actually reveal if he does follow through with whether UFOs exist? That's something to keep in mind. Alright guys, I'll leave a link to this article as well. Hit like and subscribe for more news and headlines. And see you guys next time. Stay safe, and God bless you guys.